One of the many ways you can set up a search page is side by side. It's easy to do, but a little tricky. So this video will show you how to accomplish it. We're going to put our view search and view output into a grid with 2 columns. The first thing we need to do is set up that 2-column grid somewhere away from everything else in the view. An easy way to do that is to scroll down to the bottom of our page and add a fresh block that's still inside our view, but not inside anything else. So not here, that's outside our view, but here. Make a grid, make it 2 columns. We'll grab the side handle, and I'll just use this up arrow to jump this block up, and up again. If we look at our navigator, we see it's a grid inside a view. And below are the sections for the view search and the view output. So let's now move those into our new grid. I'll select the view search and use the handle to drag and drop it into the left grid cell. Checking the navigator, it looks perfect. Okay, so now let's select the view output and we'll drag it into the right-hand cell. Let's save the page and see what we've got. Okay, so the basic placements are there, even though it needs some cleanup. Let's just run a search and see if it really functions. And it does. Great! Let's do the styling cleanup. On the back end, let's first shift our column sizes to give more room to the results. Hover over the grid until a column line appears, and we'll just grab it and slide it over a bunch. And I think 3 columns of results is a bit too much. So let's navigate to our view loop. And under the grid settings, we'll bring our column count down to 2. Let's look at the results. And it works. Of course, you can style anything any way you want. But now you know how to do a side-by-side configuration.